because Uganda's tourism sector is beginning to experience the impact of coronavirus in its services as the number of visitors to the country is falling down. With government suspension of flights from more than 10 countries that are highly affected by the pandemic, businesses in the industry is feeling the pinch in a noticeable deal. Here's more details of that in this report.
Visitor numbers to Uganda have started slowing down, with several international airlines cancelling flights over the coronavirus. Travelers are now postponing their trips. The continued uncertainty is leading to a decline in business for the tourism sector.
Now, for some of us also who are also running lodges, we serve not only our tourists or our guests, we also serve guests from other tour operators. We've also experienced cancellations with our lodge bookings. So that means our income levels have certainly gone down, but yet our overheads are still remaining the same. We've got to pay rent, we've got to pay salaries, we've got to pay taxes.
Uganda has restricted visitors from 16 countries with high cases of the coronavirus, including the US and UK, where many tourists to the country come from. The Ministry of Health is advising all hoteliers and tour operators to ensure they have all the preventive measures in place, like the hand washers and sanitizers. But with the 14 days quarantine in place, visitors may not have enough time for leisure. Hoteliers say bookings have dropped because of the restrictions.
I don't know of any hotel that has laid off staff or had to close some of the blocks. We're trying to keep vibrant, but it's a matter of time. Unless there's a strong drop in the rate of acceleration at which it's growing, we will have to make some structural adjustments so as to keep afloat.
Tourism brings in about $1.4 billion, according to the Uganda Tourism Board. International conferences and expos in the country and around the world have also been cancelled, and the sector predicts a downward trend.
Now, even the opportunity to actually go market and reassure clients that we are a safe destination, we do not have corona in Uganda at the moment, the opportunity to do that has also now been curtailed because of the cancellations that are happening for the expos. So it means we've got to change the way we do business. We've got to change the approaches. It's going to be less of the face-to-face and physical contact kind of business approach. Now maybe use more of social media, use more of the technologies that are around.
While Uganda is trying to ensure all the preventive measures are in place, it's not banned travelers from the countries with the highest number of COVID-19 cases. The government is maintaining screening at the Entebbe International Airport and all border points. The Health Ministry hopes the systems in place will help stop the spread of the disease into the country.